So you can see that the damage is very serious, and also the wing tank was damaged.
Another approach is Buncher 03, Mayday, I have a bird strike.
First, what I'm thinking about was if I eject immediately or if I solve the problem.
I have serious damage right of my wing, so I need to land as soon as possible.
The wing tank started to flatter a little bit because the impact. I was worried that the tip tank can fall out from the aircraft, but when I reduced the speed below 200 knots, it stopped, so I decided to land. The aircraft sustained very well, so I'm glad to fly this aircraft. I think right now it's okay. It's over, so I have no problem with that. I just hope that I will not have to pay for it from my salary.